Welcome to Mathematics Form 2. Hi, I'm Teacher Farhana. Today we will learn Chapter 1, Patterns and Sequence. What we will cover in this chapter: 1.1 Patterns, 1.2 Sequence, 1.3 Patterns and Sequence. Hi student, today we will learn on patterns of various set of numbers. What is the various set of numbers it can be? First, even and odd number. Second, Pascal triangle. Third, Fibonacci numbers. As you can see in the notes, even numbers can be defined as numbers that can be divided exactly by 2. Example, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And odd numbers was defined as number that cannot be divided exactly by 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. How about 0? 0 is neither odd nor even. Look at the example given. State whether each of the following numbers is an even numbers or odd numbers. A. 17 is odd numbers. B. 60. It is even number. C. 44. Also an even number. D. 95. It is odd number. This is another example of question related with odd and even numbers. Look at the example. List A, the first 5 even numbers. So what is the first 5 even numbers? So you have to list it in ascending order as 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Do not list more than 5 to get marks. And for B, list all the odd numbers between 50 and 65. So you need to find numbers of odd numbers between 50 and 65. Is it include 50 and 65? No, because it says between. So the number will be 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, and 63. Let us look at next example. Determine whether the answer for each of the following is an odd or even number. Look at A. 9 plus 5. Odd number plus odd number. So it becomes an even number. The answer is 14. And next, 7 minus 4. Odd number minus even number. So the answer will be odd number, 3. And last one, 8 times 8, even number, multiply with even number. So the answer will be an even number, 64. Now, let's learn more on prime numbers. What is prime number? Prime number can be defined as a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself. So what is the number? There are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and more. What is the first numbers in prime number? It is 2. To determine whether a given number is a prime number, you need to carry out the following step. Step 1. Divide the number given by prime number. Then, step 2. If the number cannot be divided exactly by all the prime numbers, then it is a prime number. Look at the example. Determine whether each of the following is a prime number or not. A, 45. B, 73. So let us look at the solution. As you can see in the solution, we divide 45 by the prime numbers, which is 3 and 5. So if you can see, when 45 divided by 3, it becomes 15. Not necessary to test the divisor 5 anymore, because you can see 45 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 45 is not a prime number. Then, look at B. Divide 73 by the prime numbers 3, 5, and 7. And when we divide 73 by 3, we have remainder 1. And then when we divide 73 with 5, we have 14, remainder 3. Then, when we divide 73 by 7, we get 10, remainder 3. So we can conclude that it is a prime number. Data example. Find the sum of all the prime numbers which are less than 10. The solution: you need to list all the prime numbers which is less than 10 are 2, 3, 5, and 7. Therefore, we need to find the sum. What is it meaning by sum? You need to add all the number that you list just now. So, 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Then it is equal to 17. Now, let's learn about Pascal triangle. What is Pascal triangle? It is known as Yang Hui triangle by the Chinese and illustrated using magic square and magic circle. In the diagram, you can see that a Pascal triangle based on a triangle, which is the number in a row, can be determined by adding the numbers in the previous row. And if you look at the Pascal triangle, all numbers at the side, left and right of the triangle, are number 1. And as we can observe from the Pascal triangle, look at method 1. We can find that there are sequence with numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Create a pattern as add 1. Look at method 2. We can find the sequence as 1, 3, 6. And another pattern, which is add 2, 3, and 4. Therefore, pattern of a set numbers is a sequence of numbers that are arranged according to a rules. What is the rules over here? The rules is based on Pascal triangle. You can look at the example as given. Complete the Pascal triangle below. So how to complete the next row? You need to add the previous row, meaning 1 plus 3, you will get 4. 3 plus 3, in the middle, you will get 6. 3 plus 1, you will get another 4. Then at this side, you need to write 1. Then to get a next row, 4 plus 6, you get 10. 6 plus 4, you get 10 also in the middle. Then at the side, 1 plus 4, you get 5. And the other side, 4 plus 1, you get 5. Side by side, you need to add number 1. So the last row, so 1 plus 5, you'll get 6. 5 plus 10, we get 15. 10 plus 10, we get 20 in the middle. Then 10 plus 5, we get 15. 5 plus 1, we get 6. Then at the side by side, we need to write number 1. Now, let's learn about Fibonacci numbers. Fibonacci numbers are a pattern of numbers in a sequence. This sequence starts with 0, 1, 1, and the next term is obtained by adding the previous two numbers or two terms. Look at the example. Start with 0, 1. To get the next term, 0 plus 1. And to get next term, 1 plus 1. For another term, 1 plus 2. And next term, 2 plus 3. Then the final term, 8, will be 3 plus 5. Look at the example. We need to complete number sequence below. So, A. The numbers start with 0, 1, 1. So, to get the first blank, you need to add two previous terms. 1 plus 1, you will get 2. Then, 1 plus 2, you will get 3. Next number, 2 plus 3, you will get 5. And then to get the last blank, you need to add 8 and 13, you will get 21. Look at example B. It starts with 1, 3. So, to get next number, it will be 1 plus 3 equal to 4. To get next number, 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Then how will we get 11? 4 plus 7. So, in a conclusion, patterns are lists of numbers or objects arranged following a rules or design. A pattern in a list of numbers is obtained from addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division of the previous numbers. Whereas pattern in objects is obtained by observing the arrangement of the previous object. With that, I hope you will learn something about various numbers of pattern. See you in next class. Bye.